Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you, most people don't realize. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You scroll through these apps every day, thinking it's just entertainment. But they are secretly paying people real money. Right now, while most of us are wasting our time, you can earn $100 a month, maybe more. And you don't need thousands of followers, a camera, or fancy equipment. You just need to know what to do. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down, step by step, including what most beginners get wrong, and what the myths are. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, what works, and how to avoid the traps that hold most people back. Part 1. Why most beginners fail. Let me tell you why 90% of beginners never make money online. They copy content without thinking. They post randomly, hoping for luck. They quit too early. Here's the reality. Attention is currency now. Every like, every comment, every second people watch your content can become real money. Most people ignore the system. They chase followers or virality instead of strategy and execution. If you understand how each app works and how they reward attention, you can start earning even with zero experience. Part 2. Instagram, the spark. Instagram isn't just selfies and lifestyle posts. It's a machine for attention. And attention equals money. Here's how beginners are making it work. Theme pages. Niche, motivation, facts, tech, luxury, AI tools. Post short reels, 15 to 30 seconds. Use trending audio and text. No face, no camera, no editing expertise. Affiliate links. Promote apps, products, tools. One link in your bio can earn commissions with each click or purchase. Content funnel. Instagram brings attention. Drive traffic to YouTube or Facebook. That's where the long-term money comes from. Most beginners fail because they post randomly, chase viral content, or give up after a week. Consistency beats everything. One small reel a day can start showing results in just a week. Part 3. Facebook, the hidden gold mine. Facebook, the app people think is dead, is secretly paying creators daily. Here's how it works. Reels and shorts. Short motivational, educational, or viral clips. AI-generated content works perfectly. Pages versus personal profile. Pages perform better for monetization. Focus on watch time, not likes. Upload consistently, even one video per day. Groups. Post value. Later drop links, videos, or products. Build trust and authority. Small creators are making $5, $50 per video, daily, just by posting the right content. Most beginners fail because they focus on likes instead of attention. Watch time is everything. Part 4. YouTube, the long-term gain. YouTube is different. It's slower. But once it works, it pays for years. You don't need cameras, mics, or even your face on camera. Content beginners use. Explainers videos, tutorials, storytelling and facts, screen recordings, faceless AI voiceover content. You earn from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, driving traffic to other platforms. Shorts help grow the channel fast. Long videos build real, lasting assets. The mistake most beginners make? Expecting instant results. YouTube rewards consistency and retention, not luck. Part 5. The system that works. Here's the system most people don't see. Instagram grabs attention. Facebook multiplies reach. YouTube gives stores long-term revenue. Start with one platform, master it, then connect the others. Execution beats motivation. Consistency beats talent. Follow this system for 30 days. And $100 a month is completely achievable. Part 6. Myths and common mistakes. Let's clear some myths. You need thousands of followers. False. Attention and watch time matter more. You need a camera or expensive gear. False. Screen recordings, AI voice, faceless videos work. Viral content equals money. False. Consistency beats virality. Common mistakes beginners make. Copying content without adding value. Ignoring watch time. Quitting too early. Chasing luck instead of strategy. Part 7. Exact step-by-step method. Here's how to do it right. Pick one platform to start. Choose a niche: motivation, facts, tech, tools. Post 1 to 2 pieces of content daily, short and engaging. Track attention metrics: views, watch time, clicks. Slowly connect to the other platforms for more reach and income. Follow this consistently, and in 30 days, you can start earning $100 a month. The key? Strategy, execution, and patience. Stop waiting for luck. Use the apps you already spend time on the right way. This is how beginners are earning real money. And this is how you can too.